Asuntoskeittiö, sävykallio.
No, this is also very nice today, but too bad they ripped off the logo here.
Yeah.
On the 5th of April 2025, we have Runkokatu HTC. You can also watch this TXT here. And this really cheap thing. And this one also has just 4 floors. It was built in 1986 and probably finished by autumn 86. And the same version is 646 and the best takes 4 floors with 25 rooms. Really nice though. It's also in Haukiluoma. Haukiluoma, one of the suburbs of Tampere, of course, in Pirkanmaa, Finland. A bit more of a rare year, of course, 86.
Yeah.
85 and 87 are more common.
Yeah. Niissä teetpä kiva, ensin pitää meidän teetpä Suomen hissirakointia.
I like the smell here. I will check the inbound.
Yep.
The first floor.
That's